Hello everyone, welcome back to Hopsy. We are going through what I believe is the second video today. I said I'll do it, so it's being done. We're doing Seqel. I've already connected to the VPN, and it's kind of just a continuation of SQL from the last video. So if I come here, and the first thing we need to do, so I'm just going to full screen it because it's kind of fun. Sudo nmap. I've now changed, so we're going to do F. So previously we were doing SV flag. We're now changing to F because F is a fast scan. And they have to scan through quite a lot of ports for this one. So I tried to do it like the normal way, and I was sitting here for a while. Okay, so we can see it's on port 3306, and it's MySQL, and it's open. Let me just flip over. So 3306. Awesome. What community developed version is the target running? Well, mariadb. When using the MySQL line client, which one do we need to specify a login username? I had this on the side here. Let me just find it real quick to pull it open. I believe it's -u. I believe it was -u. Let me just grab that. It's disappeared. Yeah. We are going to do -u. Okay, which username allows you to log into... Okay, so it's root. You'll see literally in a second when we log into the database. Actually, maybe we'll do database now. So basically, notes on port 3306. So you're going to do MySQL. You're going to specify... Do I need to go double? Yes, I do. Host. So you specify the host port, which is 129.98.250. You specify the ports. I did pre-do this just to make sure I wasn't going to waste time. And then you obviously specify the user equals root. So of course SSL certificate is disabled. We just need to wait a little bit for it to kick in. But while we wait, we can just answer this as root. Have we logged in yet? No, it's a little bit slow. Let's move on. Funny enough, it literally answers the question. To select everything, we just star. What symbol do we need to end each query with? It is this semicolon. I believe that's semicolon. I hope I didn't just lie. Semicolon. Yep, definitely a semicolon. Has this kicked through yet? Yes, it has. Okay, awesome. Now what is it? So there's 3 databases, and we don't know which one. So we need to find the databases first. So the first thing we're going to do is /help. Mostly because, this is where you should always start. And we basically want to look for commands. So the commands I was looking at before was use. So this lets you use a database. Right now we're currently with no database. So we need to, find a database and then use it. And then /g, this actually sends the commands to mariadb server. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find the databases. As I said, I have a schema. Okay, so here we go. We have multiple options to show the database. We are going to go with, I guess, show databases. You can show schemas. You can do it this way, but this is kind of just why. So show databases. Oh, and I forgot semicolon. Okay, so here we have the databases. So performance schema, MySQL, and information schema are, of course, your standard ones. Hack the box is the one that is not common. So we're going to put in hack the box, or HTTP. Awesome, now we need to find a flag, and if you haven't guessed, it's probably in the hack the box DB. So we need to do /u, and we're going to specify hack the box. So now what this means is we've now changed to the hack the box DB, but now we need to find like the table names, because obviously we don't know what table names are. We need to find that. Let me just find what the command is for that. Okay, it's a little bit of a brain fart moment, but you just show tables. Okay, so we have config and users. So if we do /g, we select all from config and then add that in the bottom. And there we go. Now we have timeout, security, auto logon, max size, and flag. So we take the flag, copy it, go back, and submit the flag. So pretty simple, quite chill. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a pretty quick run through. There wasn't really too much technical parts, except for the end. It was just a basic logging in through Anonymous into MySQL, and then I guess exploring through it a little bit. So again, nothing crazy. I hope to see you in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.